everyone! So today we're going to start to look at the 6 simple machines, what they are, and how we use them. We see machines being used every day to help us move loads easier, like this excavator. We don't use these machines every day, but we do use many other machines. We just don't know it. When we go to lift, pull, push, or stop an object, we use force. Sometimes the load is heavier than the force we have, and it makes it hard to move the object. That is where machines have become helpful. Since the beginning of time, man has looked for ways to use tools to help make the work or effort needed less. These first tools were simple machines that only had 1 or 2 parts, like this arrowhead that is a wedge. Or this wheel. When used together, man quickly learned that these simple machines can make a big job much easier. Today we can classify 6 simple machines: levers, inclined planes, wedges, pulleys, wheels and axles, and screws. These machines help us to exert less work or effort to move an object. Simple machines work by extending the force over a greater distance or by changing the direction of the force needed. Let's look at these 6 simple machines and some of the real-life examples we use today. Pulleys help making lifting or pulling objects easier. Instead of having to lift up, we can pull down on the rope to get the pail of water. This is easier because gravity is now helping us. Levers help us to move an object by pushing on it. Levers include taps on a sink, a teeter-totter, or this hockey stick. First Nations use many simple machines here in Canada, including this lever. It's an atlatl, a traditional hunting tool that helps the hunters to shoot their spear further and faster. Wedges help us to split objects apart, like an axe or a kitchen knife. Wheels and axles help us to move, like those on our cars and bikes. They also make for some really fun rides at the fair. Inclined planes help us move easier up and down. Examples include ramps, stairs, and slides. The final simple machine is the screw. Screws help us to fasten things together. An everyday example of a screw is a light bulb. Whether used separately or put together in any combination, simple machines help make our daily lives easier. Continue on to the lessons to learn more about each simple machine. When you are done, you'll be ready to start your final project.